So I got to see some cool bands this weekend. This time it was Voivod, Child Bite, King Parrot, one of my favorite bands, if not my most favorite currently. It was a great show. Had a lot of fun with a couple of my friends. Glad to bring them along, expose them to the King Parrot experience. I almost got some video of Youngie fucking with me when I was up front, but apparently I didn't even have the camera rolling. He was like, you bring a fucking GoPro? And I'm like, yeah. He was going to show me his cock. I was going to shoot it right up his fucking pant leg, but it wasn't even on. So it's kind of a letdown. You might still be wondering, is there a fucking video of my up short shot? But there's not. I couldn't find it. Believe me, it would be on here if it was. I've been trying to use the GoPro more because I don't like to use a phone camera and other shit that's big because it gets in the way of the show. The GoPro really doesn't do anything but blink red, and I tried to color that in with a marker so it's less distracting and stuff like that. But it's just, I think it's more appropriate when you're going out and trying not to ruin the show for other people. So anyway, so first up we have a little clip of Child Bite. And Child Bite was a really cool band. And now we got some couple of short clips of King Parrot. I was rocking out too hard. I was not holding the camera steady. I'm sorry. It was a show. I just wanted to hold it up, try to get the whole feel. And it was a lot of energy, and it was awesome. So here they are.
Hey, you guys doing Seattle?
And then we went and hung out in the Slayer pit for a minute. Me and a couple of buddies went in there, checked it out. It's fucking awesome.
Awesome.
It's me, it's Super Dave, and Eric hanging out at fucking El Corazon. I don't even know if this is gonna come out.
This is the Slayer pit.
This is the fucking Slayer pit. We're fucking VIPs in this bitch. We went back in the club to watch Voivod. And Voivod was pretty cool. It's I didn't know what to expect. I don't know any Voivod songs. So I've been really catching up on a lot of bands that I was completely unaware of back when they were big. So it's been cool. They sounded awesome. So, I mean, I didn't know any of the songs. Yeah, that's the way it was. I mean, the day before I got to catch the end of the Metal Church show over at Studio 7, and that was pretty good, but I just never been a super Metal Church fan. I really missed Armored Saint. I really wanted to see John Bush because I just love what he did during the Anthrax years, especially The Sound of White Noise, one of my favorite Anthrax albums of all time. I just think that guy has a kick-ass voice. That's it. Have a good week. I know I will. And don't talk about doing shit. Just go do it.